This is Jeremy Drebenstead with Demco Products. Today we are going to cover the basic installation of our base plates. Keep in mind that every vehicle's base plate will be different, so this install may not be the same as what you will be installing. On today's install we had a 2019 Ford Ranger. To start, take the rubber mold piecings out from around the tow hooks. This may take a little help from a flat tip screwdriver. Next, you will need to remove the skid plate from under the vehicle. As you can see, it's just 4 bolts. Remove the bolts and set the skid plate to the side. You will then need to remove the air dam. This is done by removing 3 bolts on each side of the air dam. You will also need to remove a push fastener on each side of the vehicle to help access one final bolt on each side of the vehicle. Once those are removed, you can pull the air dam down and set it aside out of the way to move to the next step. Next, if equipped, you can go ahead and remove the tow hooks. They have 2 bolts that you will need to remove on each tow hook. You will be reusing these bolts on the installation of the base plate. If your vehicle was not equipped with tow hooks, you will need to find the 4 12mm bolts, washers, and lock washers supplied in the kit for our next step. With an assistant, slide the base plate into position by coming in from the rear. Install both support braces as shown in the picture. Install both bolts on each side of the vehicle and make sure to use Loctite on all bolts. You will then need to torque each bolt. Refer to the diagram in the instructions for torque specifications. On this vehicle, it called for 78 foot-pounds. Next, we need to grind the metal on the skid plate as shown in this picture. This needs to be done in order for it to sit flat on the support braces. We will now install the base plate safety cables. Find a cross member and wrap the safety cable around it and secure it with a quick link. Make sure it won't rub against wires, brake lines, or axle shafts. You will do this on each side of the base plate. You may now reinstall the air dam using the hardware you took off when removing. Once reinstalled, your installation is complete.